हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम इन एसटीआई की ऑनलाइन क्लासेस। मैं रामपाल प्रजापति फ्रॉम इलेक्ट्रिकल डिपार्टमेंट। डियर स्टूडेंट, in our today class we will discuss on circuit analysis part 22, and for today class our topic is admittance and transmission parameters of two-port network. First of all, we discuss about our previous class. In our previous class we have discussed about two-port network and impedance parameters. Now we will discuss on admittance parameters and transmission parameters, and how the value of transmission parameters can be found from two-port network. So in a two-port network, a pair of two-terminal electrical network in which current enter through one terminal and leave through another terminal of each port. So a two-port network representation is shown in figure. In this, at port 1 voltage is V1 and current is I1. Similarly, at port 2 voltage is V2 and current is I2. Here one pair of terminals 1 dash represents one port, which is called port 1, and another pair of terminals 2 dash represents another port, which is called port 2. This is port 2 and this is port 1. So there are four variables V1, V2, I1 and I2 in a two-port network as shown in figure, out of which we can choose two variables as independent and another two variables are dependent variables. So we will get six possible pair of equations. These equations represent the dependent variable in terms of independent variables, and the coefficient of independent variables are called parameters of two-port network. For each pair of equations, we will give a set of four parameters. So in a two-port network, parameters are Z parameter, Y parameter, T parameter and H parameter and G parameter. In previous class we have discussed about Z parameters. Now in this class we will discuss on admittance and T parameters, transmission parameters. First we discuss about Y parameters, that is admittance parameters. So we will get the following set of two equations by considering the variable I1 and I2 as dependent and V1, V2 as independent, and the coefficient of independent variables V1 and V2 are called as Y parameters or admittance parameters. These two equations are taken from two-port network. So I1 is equal to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2, and I2 is equal to Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2. And the value of Y parameters is obtained in such a manner that Y11 is equal to I1 upon V1 when V2 is equal to 0. Similarly, Y12 is equal to I1 upon V2 when V1 is equal to 0, and Y21 is equal to I2 upon V1 when V2 is equal to 0, and Y22 is I2 upon V2 when V1 is equal to 0. Simply it means when we calculate the value of Y parameters, then other port terminals are short circuited, due to which these parameters are known as admittance parameters or short circuit parameters. Y parameters are admittance parameters because these are simply the ratio of current and voltage, and unit of Y parameters are in mho. So we can calculate two y parameters y11 and y21 by doing short circuit of port 2, and similarly we can calculate the other two parameters y12 and y22 by doing short circuit of port 1. Hence, the y parameters are also called as short circuit admittance parameters. Now we take an example. In the given question, we have to find admittance parameters. So, first of all, we calculate the value of y11. So y11 is equal to I1 upon V1 when V2 is equal to 0. V2 is equal to 0. V1 is the voltage at port 1 and V2 is the voltage at port 2. I1 is current at port 1 and I2 is current at port 2. So V1 is equal to I1 into Z from port 1, where Z is equal to, after short circuiting port 2, Z is equal to Z equivalent of the circuit from the port 1 side is equal to 10 parallel 20 plus 10. So its value is 50 divided by 3. So y11 is equal to 1 upon Z, that is equal to 3 upon 50, and its unit is mho. So simply the value of y11 is equal to 1 upon Z11 or I1 upon V1, that is equal to 3 upon 50. This is the value of y11. And to calculate the value of y12, what is y12? Y12 is I1 upon V2 when V1 is equal to 0. V1 is equal to 0, V2. So y12 is I1 upon V2 when V1 is 0. V1 is 0. So in this case, first we calculate the value of I1. So I1 in terms of I2 is I1 is equal to 20 upon 10 plus 20 into I2 from current division rule. Current I2 is port 2. From current division rule, I1 is 20 divided by 10 plus 20 into I2, or simply we can write 2 upon 3 into I2. And V2 is equal to 50 upon 3 into I2, or Z into I2. So Z is equal to 50 upon 3 into I2, where I2 in terms of I1 is 1.5 or 3 by 2 into I1. So we obtain the value of y12 is equal to V1 upon I1 upon V2, that is equal to 1 by 10 or 0.01. So this is the procedure of calculating the value of admittance parameters. Similarly, when we put I2, then V2 is 50 upon 3 into 3 by 2 I1. 3 से 3 cancel, 2 upon 50, that is equal to 25. So I1 upon V2 is equal to 1 upon 25, that is equal to Y12. This network is symmetrical, so Y12 is equal to Y21 and Y11 is equal to Y22. So the value of Y22 is equal to Y11 and its value is 3 upon 50 more. Now second parameter is T parameter or transmission parameters. So we will get the following set of two equations by considering the variable V1 and I1 as dependent and V2 I2 as independent. The coefficient of V2 and I2 are called transmission parameters. So from two-port network, V1 is equal to AV2 minus DI2 and I1 is equal to CV2 minus DI2. So the value of transmission parameters is obtained in such a manner. A is equal to V1 upon V2 when I2 is equal to 0 and B is equal to minus V1 upon I2 when V2 is equal to 0 and C is equal to I1 upon V2 when I2 is equal to 0 and D is minus I1 upon I2 when V2 is equal to 0. So we first T parameters called transmission parameters or ABCD parameters. Parameter A and D do not have any unit since those are dimensionless parameters. The unit of parameter B and C are ohm and mho respectively. So we can calculate two parameters A and C by doing open circuit of port 2. Similarly, we can calculate the other two parameters B and D by short circuiting the port 2. So first we calculate parameter A. This is port 1. Voltage at port 1 is V1, current is I1 and voltage at port 2 is V2, current is I2. So parameter A is the ratio of V1 upon V2 when I2 is equal to 0. I2 is equal to 0. So V1 is equal to I1 cos 20 plus 10 and V2 is equal to I1 into 20. So V1 upon V2 is equal to 30 divided by 20, that is 1.5. So the value of parameter A is 1.5. Similarly, if we want to calculate the value of parameter B, then it is the V parameter is the ratio of minus V1 upon I2 when V2 is equal to 0. Means V2 port is short circuited. At port 1 current is I1, voltage is V1. At port 2 current is I2. So V1 is equal to I1Z is equal to 50 divided by 3 into I1, and I2 in terms of I1 is 20 divided by 30. So I1 is 3 by 2 into I2, and V1 is 50 divided by 3 into 3 by 2 into I2. Three से 3 cancel and 50. So the value of B is minus 25. So parameter B is minus 25. Similarly, we can calculate the value of parameters C and D. At the time of calculation, parameter C is the ratio of I1 upon V2 when I2 is equal to 0, and parameter D is minus I1 upon I2 when V2 is equal to 0. So simply we find the value of parameter C is 1 upon 20, because that is equal to 0.05, and parameter D is minus 1.5. This is the procedure of finding the value of the parameters. So in this class we have discussed about the two-port network, admittance and transmission parameters of a two-port network. Simply, admittance parameters are short circuit parameters which are obtained by sorting the terminals of other port at the time of calculation, and we obtain the parameters as such as y11, y12, y21 and y22. And similarly, transmission parameters are ABCD parameters, in which parameter A and D are dimensionless parameters. Parameter A is V1 upon V2, that is reverse voltage gain, and parameter B is minus V1 upon I2, its unit is ohm. Parameter C is I1 upon V2, its unit is mho, and parameter D is minus I1 upon I2. This is also inverse current gain. Okay, thank you for today class. In our next class we will discuss about H parameters and G parameters of a two-port network.
हो गया?